YouTube? It's your boy Twinkie, coming at you with another moto vlog. Today I'm doing things a little differently. No clickbait today. I'm not even going to tell you where we're going or what we're doing. It's a mystery. But what I will tell you is that I am going to meet with Ryan and Dakota right now, and then from there we're gonna go. I'm not gonna tell you where, we're just gonna go. So like I said, new style of video today. There's no telling what's gonna show up, there's no telling where we're gonna go, there's no telling what you're gonna see, what you're not gonna see. But if you're watching so far, obviously you are interested enough to click on it. So enjoy. So I was checking the weather pretty religiously this morning, and earlier they were calling for like a 40 to 50% chance of rain around 1 o'clock, but shortly thereafter it pretty much cleared up. So now it's supposed to stay cloudy, and the percentage of rain is 20% for the rest of the afternoon. So hopefully I don't get caught in it. I mean, if I do, I do. Big whoop. Not the first time. But I like staying dry when I'm on a bike, you know. Oh, look at this little verse of hauling ass. Were you just giving the peace sign to me? Because if so, that's rad. Peace. Howdy, howdy. Oh, you didn't wave. What the hell, man? Oh, I see how it is. Them scooters are too cool for us cruisers. Howdy, howdy. Hey, that's not steel plates. That's stone. That sign's a liar. Dude, really? We got Ryan and Dakota. We're on the road again, and this time we're going to, gotcha, I'm not telling you where we're going. Yeah, it's a bit stinky. Pretty damn. That's the way, I like it, Whoopie pies and French fries. Oh man, sounds like a terrible combination. Run, little goaties, run! Good job, buddy. Good job for not putting your grass out on the road. Really? Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. That's a nice car. Howdy, howdy. Oh, yeah. Woo! My butt's getting a little sore. Just a little. Yeah, it's hurting a little.
Your hiney hole hurts.
It's going tingle, tingle, tingle. Howdy, howdy. Wow. That's a lot of farmland. There's some nice houses up here too. Wow. Whoa! Half of that tree fell over. Oh, that's nice. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. I know it's been a while since I did a last moto vlog, and I know when I originally started, I told you guys I was going to try to get to one a week. Unfortunately, that's just not going to happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try for at least once a month and do what I can in between everything, and to get some more up. But I'm really busy at work, so the hours just aren't available for me to really get out and ride and then sit down and do all the editing. Wow, that boat area is pretty packed. Shake, 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 shake your booty, yeah. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, 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 howdy. A little too far over there, Coda. No alcoholic beverages and no fires. Well then, where's the fun? Hey, instead of blocking a trailer space, we should probably pull up there. I said instead of blocking a trailer space, we should probably park up there.
I thought you just going to change your battery as well.
Well, yeah.
If you want to, I don't know. I think I went the wrong way in anyway.
I don't know.
What do you want to go up there?
Yeah, I think it'd be better just to sit up there and then we can watch people at the dock. No. Yeah, up here. There we go. Coder's thinking with her dipstick. Oh, look at this asshole. Yeah, we just go straight down. I guess.
Going around?
Yeah.
On the other side, man.
like a nut. I ain't doing that. I don't have enough tread on my back tire to trust doing that. I told you, I don't have enough tread. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. Guess he's waiting for traffic to pass? I don't know. No, he's turning in. He's just really special about it. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, 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 howdy. Howdy, howdy. YMCA. Woo! Oh, hey! Howdy, howdy. Hold on, let me stick my arm out the window. Ooh. It's so cloudy and dreary, it looks like it could just start pouring down rain at any minute. I'm on my way home. Hopefully I don't get caught in it. Birdies, please don't poop on me. Holy crap, they're everywhere. I love you, Black Betty. Howdy, howdy. Oh, nice turn signal, bro. Turnpike. Howdy, howdy. Well, that pretty much sums up today's video. Another little short one for you guys. If you liked what you saw, hit the like button, leave a comment if you want. Hit that subscribe button and that bell icon notification button. This way you're notified when I upload another video. Thanks for tuning in again, guys. Peace out.